I'm making this video because I have seen not a clear instruction of icing sugar. I tried to search on the internet and as well as on YouTube, but there is hardly a good measurement which is given, so it is a little bit confusing. So here in this video I will give you a clear instruction on how to make icing sugar, and if you follow these steps you're gonna get a perfect icing sugar. You will need two simple ingredients. You need 1 cup of sugar. It could be any sugar. I'm using real cane brown sugar, and you need cornstarch powder. So 1 cup of sugar with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch powder, and you need a blender, and that's it. So let's get started. So I have this 250 ml cup, so which will be 1 cup of sugar. 1 US cup is 16 tablespoon and 1 tablespoon is 15 ml. So 1 cup is about 250 ml. So let's weigh. So this is about 180. I have this kitchen scale, so it is easier to measure, so make it 0. And then I have this 1 cup of sugar, which is about 250 grams. I'm using natural cane brown sugar, which is a little bit healthier than the white sugar, but you can use white sugar as well. So you'll need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch powder for 1 cup of sugar. Here I have 1 tablespoon, which is 15 ml. So let's take 1 tablespoon. So here I have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch powder. We are using cornstarch to prevent clumping. Now we'll add both the sugar into the blender. So this is a smoothie mix, smaller one. So try to use a smaller one. You can use coffee grinder as well, and add the cornstarch. So I've added the sugar and the cornstarch together. Now blend it with a pulse. So I'm giving short pulses. Oh, this is looking nice. So at a time, don't blend it too much, like no more than 5 to 6 seconds at a time. Don't rotate it too much because it's going to be hot. So the sugar will become hot and it might melt. So it is about 30 seconds. So let's check whether it's done or not. So to check this, I'm opening this. I opened it and I'm taking just a little bit with a spoon and rubbing it together with a finger, and this is completely smooth. I don't feel any granular sugar inside. So we are done making the icing sugar. As you can see, it's completely smooth powdery sugar, and even though it was a brown sugar, it looks completely white. So now since it is done, we need to store it. So for storage, I'm going to use the same jar, which is a airtight jar. So now we are done with our homemade icing sugar. So use it in your favorite confectioneries or bakery item. And I label the icing sugar as well, so that I am not confused later on with the cornstarch and icing sugar, because both of them look similar. Thanks for watching.